Hi, I'm David Clutterbuck, and I'm looking forward to meeting you in June when we bring the leading edge of team coaching to Korea. I and my global team have collaborated with some of the world's leading multinational companies to research the factors that result in high performance or low performance in work teams, and to translate all of that into practical, evidence-based know-how for coaches and for leaders. In this first workshop, we're going to explore the latest understanding of the complexity of teams and team dynamics against the background that a team is a complex adaptive system nested within other complex adaptive systems. We'll explore the difference between teams and groups, how to help leaders build coaching cultures in their own teams, and the core principles of team coaching. We'll also equip you with the only diagnostic instrument to explore teams from a complex adaptive systems perspective, so you can help teams focus on the patterns that underlie good and poor performance, rather than focusing on symptoms. In other words, how to create real positive change rather than quick fixes. You'll also have an opportunity to integrate your own existing knowledge and experience with the latest good practice. So at the same time, we're going to have some fun on the way. Looking forward to seeing you there.